So there's a pretty bullish pattern forming on Adobe's stock chart. If you have Adobe in your stock portfolio, you are going to like what I have in this video. So let's jump in. What's up everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to the Money Dad channel. In this video we are talking about Adobe and a stock chart pattern I found on its chart. So we're going to take a look at that because I think it is a pretty bullish indicator for this stock going forward. But in general on this channel we like to do stock chart pattern analysis, talk stock market, personal finance, maybe a little bit of Bitcoin here and there. But so if any of that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Wow, words are hard today apparently. Subscribe button and join the family, join the community here because we're growing this thing. I got a lot more videos to put out. I think you're gonna like what I got. So let's jump into this chart. Okay, so I've got Adobe pulled up in Trading View. We are looking at a pretty long-term chart here for Adobe. You can see down here we're going all the way back to the end of 2018 just to make sure that we have a bullish trend going into this chart pattern, because we do need a bullish trend as a requirement, because what we're looking at here is a bullish flag pattern, and that is a continuation pattern of a bull trend. So we have to have that bull trend going into it. If you don't see it yet, I'll go ahead and put the lines on there and we can take a quick look. I'm not going to use this one candle all the way down here for my measurements just because it's a sort of an outlier. So I'm just going to leave that out just to be conservative with my measurements, and you'll see why I do that here in a little bit. So we got our flagpole right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the top of the flag. That'll be our resistance. Look, we got 3 points that are touching. That is perfect. You want to see that for sure. And then we've got 2 points down here that are touching, which is good. Ideally you would want 3, but we'll take 2. It's not the end of the world because we have 3 on the top, so we're doing all right there. So you can see we have the flagpole, we got the flag, so we have a bullish flag pattern on Adobe setting up over a pretty long time frame here. The flagpole starts in March, so we're looking at about 8-9 months of data here. A really big flag and a really big flagpole. And what does that mean for Adobe? That means that the price target that we can project from this pattern is big as well. So going forward, we would ideally want to see a breakout over the top of this flag eventually. I mean, it might come down and give us that third touchdown at the bottom here, this support at the bottom of the flag, or it might just curl up and exit the flag right here. Who knows? Bull flags in general have about a 67% probability of reaching that price target after they confirm the breakout above the flag. So we are watching for a breakout above the flag first before we can really play this chart pattern for the price target. So I'm gonna go ahead and project this price target out for everyone to see, with the caveat that we have not broken out yet over this bull flag. So I just want to make that clear. This is not a price target yet. This is a price target if we break out over that resistance at the top of the bull flag. So I think we probably will do that eventually. Like I said, we may touch down, what are we looking at, the low 400s range to give us that third point on the bottom of the flag and then come up, or we may just curl up from here. Either way that works out, it would be a breakout over the top of the flag, and then we would be off to the races towards our price target. Okay, so how do we get our price target for this huge pattern on Adobe's chart? Well, that's pretty easy. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button on the video and the like button on the video. And no, I'm just kidding. If you could actually do that, that would be great. That would help my channel out a lot. I would really appreciate that, but that's not actually how you get a price target. What? Crazy? I know. So how you actually get the price target is you copy this flagpole. And my wife calls me a weirdo. So we're gonna go ahead and take a copy of that flagpole and we're gonna start it wherever we think that the next bull trend is gonna start. So do we think that it started here, right? And we're going to break out. I'm gonna be a little more conservative. I always prefer to be more conservative than not with my projections. So I'm gonna think that we track down to the bottom of the bull flag again. Maybe we touch down about right there. We're going to start our next bull run right there. We're going to say that we come down and we bounce off and head up from there. So we take the flagpole, we start it there, and we just look at the top. That's how we do this thing. This flagpole is absolutely massive, so it gives us an absolutely massive price target of $685 on Adobe. And currently, Adobe is trading at $486, so we are talking about $200 of upside on Adobe, right? So we're talking about a gigantic company moving a lot. We're going to be adding a lot of market cap here if this move happens, but let's take that $200 of upside and divide it into its current market, into its current share price of 486, and we get our 41% upside on this stock chart pattern. So like I said before, if we get a breakout over that resistance at the top of the flag, then we have a 67% chance of us hitting this price target. So I want to be clear on that. We are waiting for that confirmation breaking out over this flag, over this resistance right here, before we can really set this price target. But I just want to give you guys an idea of the huge profit potential on this play if that does happen. Okay, so that's what I've got for Adobe. I hope you guys liked it. If you have stuck around to this part of the video, please hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, so we can keep growing this thing and you can keep seeing more videos like this, because I think you're gonna like what I got coming out next. All right, I'll see you guys in the comments below and in the next video. Thanks.